This is Shayne's 1987 Holden VL Calais Sport by HDT. HDT would receive new Commodore models off the assembly line and do their own specialised modifications as per the customer's request. Body styling and mechanical enhancement options were many and varied, so a lot of cars from this era are unique builds. Shayne's modified the factory 304 Holden V8 with a 355 crank, Yellowterra -3 alloy heads, and long tube equal length headers with a 3.5 inch exhaust. Thanks to HDT, a TH400 transmission came fitted from factory and now has a reverse pattern trans-bragged valve body and a 5000 RPM torque converter. The VL made 380 horsepower at the wheels and a whopping 500 horsepower with a 100 shot of nitrous. The rear end features a 3.89 LSD with original colour-matched 3-piece Simmons all-round. And yes, it does have an energy polarizer. Now, take a moment to enjoy some hearty V8 noises.